Okay there guys, I have a very happy day. It's Christmas Day, birthday day, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. I'm treating myself with a new HiFi rack. The brand is called Neo Styles, Neo Highend. It's a brand from Slovakia. This is a brand, the whole manufacturing, every part of these HiFi racks are actually manufactured locally in Slovakia, and I do like that. If something is manufactured locally. And they're beautiful HiFi racks, and I just decided to treat myself with a new rack. So let's have a look, and this is the unboxing. The boxes are big. What do we have here? Here we do have a card. Dear customer, thank you for trusting us. Yes, I do trust you. That's just a card, okay. Very nice. So some protective styrofoam, some foam here on top. Foam goes, put the foam to the side for the moment, to the side, and in here we see nicely packaged. Ooh, look at that. So this is real walnut veneer, beautiful. The core is HDF, high density material. Should be very good. It's beautiful, beautiful woodwork, beautiful. You can feel it if you go with your fingers over the material. You can feel the wood inside. And I see two gloves here. Two gloves. Look at that, two gloves. Let's put them on. Very nice. See if they fit. Yes, they fit. Ah, nice. They have some grippy stuff on them. Okay. Yeah, not really sure why I need gloves. Well, hell yeah, why not? Let's not damage anything here. Yeah, so this is the floor plate. So the feet are short. I have a total of 6 plates, 6 shelves, and with longer feet. And actually, the feet are adjustable, so because you can get. Let me unscrew this. So you can get these parts here with different length, and with this you can adjust the total length of the feet, which is genius, I think. So these are the 2 feet, and my wife actually just corrected me because I just said, like, what are the gloves for? And she was like, these gloves are, of course, so you don't make fingerprints on this beautiful steel feet. And yeah, she's right. No fingerprints when you touch them with a glove. So nice. So let's get this beautiful plate here out. Trying to, carefully get it out. Scratch something. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna screw in the first foot live here. So this is going in here. Beautiful. Fits perfectly. I'm taking one leg. This is tightened by hand. Quite nicely. So let's turn it. This thing weighs, I don't know, I would estimate 15 kilograms, but that's just an estimate. Maybe I'm wrong. Between 10 and 15 is my estimate for this wooden plate. It feels solid, it feels heavy. It feels like quality. Feels like quality, looks like quality. I guess it is quality. So there's 4 floor plates. Yes. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And we will put these floor plates now on the floor and put the rack on the floor. Let's see how it looks. Okay guys, yes, set up here on my floor beautifully. With the felts I can actually move it around into the final position that I want to have. Here is the logo on the back side. So this is the front side with these extensions here. This is the back side. I mean, of course you can I guess you can use it the way you want to use it, you know. You can either have this at the front side or this being the front side, as you wish. I'm gonna have this as the front side because I think this is the way it is intended to be used. And yeah, the wood is beautiful. I love it. I love this veneer. Nice. I am very much looking forward to set this whole thing up and putting my amplifiers and sources and DACs on this beautiful new rack. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. You will be seeing this HiFi rack with audio gear on it in my videos to come. Yeah. And I am going to end this video with the same sentence as every other video. Do not forget to do the most important thing in this hobby. Enjoy music.